What's up guys, so in this video what I'm going to show you how to do is run Java code using the terminal or the command prompt on your computer. I'm going to be using a Mac for this, but you can use the command prompt on a Windows device. It'll work the exact same way. So as you can see, I've got the terminal opened up here, and the first thing I'm going to do is navigate to the folder that has the Java code that I want to run inside of it. So I'm going to go to my Eclipse workspace, and I'm going to go into the Hello World project, go into the SRC folder, and in here I have main.java, which is that code that I want to run. And what I'm going to type into here is Java with a C at the end, space, and then main.java. And so instead of main.java, you're just going to put the name of the file that you want to run in place of this. Then you're going to press enter. If there's no bugs, you won't get any feedback. And then you're going to type in the word Java without a C, space, and then the name of the file without the .java extension. So in my case, Java space main. I'm going to press enter, and as you can see here, it prints out the output. Drop a like if this worked for you. And yeah, that's all there really is to it. It's just two lines, Java C, the name of the file with .java at the end, and then Java with no C, the name of the file with no extension. And that is all there is to it, guys. Hopefully this worked for you. If you have any problems, just drop a comment down below. And yeah, leave a like if it worked. Peace.